Hi friends, welcome to One and All. Federation of India HRFI opening for an HR position. This is for CHRO Mumbai. Salary CTC is up to 1 crore. Company manufacturing. Women leadership will be preferred. And please share your CV to iti@alphaorneo.in. And next position is Director Talent Acquisition, Bangalore. Salary up to 50 lakhs. Director of TA or IT vertical for a leading fintech firm at leadership level, reporting to CHRO. A team of 4 members shall be reporting to the Director TA. The candidate should have worked in a promoter-driven organization. Status preferably should have in-depth exposure in technology hiring, experience in core technology or fintech or NBFC and technology companies is mandatory. Experience 7 to 12 years experience, and forward your CV to ndesai@opman.sg or Sandeep k.dash@opman.sg. And next position is HRBP Mumbai, which is a business partner. Salary is up to 35 lakhs. Wealth management company, MBA from reputed B school with 10 to 15 years of experience from a wealth management or in a private banking. And this is responsibilities: talent acquisition, talent management, developments, PMS, compensation and benefits, industry mapping, learning and development, strategy planning, stakeholders, managements. And the candidate should be excellent in a verbal and written communications from a BFSI industries. And next one is AV L&D Mumbai. This is 35 lakhs up to salary. MBA with 14 plus years of experience in HR, at least 4 to 5 years in a similar L&D role into a middle or large scale firm, through understanding of L&D inventions and its impact on business, excellent communication and facilitation skills. Responsibilities: to build an empowering culture of learning and development at the organization level by multi-level inputs from the organization, management, teams and individuals, and creating innovative events of buildings capability to deliver business goals, capable to program a design for a learning culture, training budgetary planning, develops training challenge, managerial and leadership identifications and development systems. To candidate should have a sound experience on content creation, strategy management, L&D, digitalization, stakeholders management. And the requirement is given by some of the members, and member company will respond to the suitable candidates directly. And the next position is HR opening, Director Talent Acquisition from Bangalore location, and salary is 50 lakhs up to IT vertical for learning fintech firms, a direct leadership and reporting to CHRO. Teams of 4 members shall report to the direct TA. The candidate should have worked in a promoter driven organization. Status preferably should have in depth of exposure in technology hiring, experience in core technology, fintech or NBFC and technology companies is mandatory. 7 to 12 years of experience. Budget, maximum budget is 50 lakhs, 85 to 90% of fixed. And next one is talent acquisition, lead, Bangalore location, salary up to 25 lakhs, 8 years experience in global MNC handling a TA team, excellent stakeholder management, process driven, strategic initiatives, team management or mandatory skills. And share to your CV to this email ID. And next one is talent acquisition partner, Bangalore, salary up to 21 lakhs. The role holders shall have 8 to 12 years experience in IT sectors. Send your CV to this email ID. And these above requirements are given by some of the members, and member of the company will be responded to you suitable candidates directly. Campus hiring specialist, Mumbai location, up to 25 lakhs. The person should be experienced in handling B school and B.Tech hiring programs. Excellent stakeholder management skills would also be required. Experience 10 to 14 years of relevant experience. And send your profile to this below email ID. Like the video, share the video to your known source, subscribe the channel and turn on notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.